Hi guys, I am unboxing this Sweece bowl set. This set was sent to me by Sweece. Perfect timing because I'm eating a lot of salads and I like to have pretty bowls and plates to put my food on. So I'm going to unbox this and show you what it looks like.
Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
So this is the packaging. It comes in this Sweece packaging. Now we're going to open it up. So here on the top we have this, you get a free bowl if you contact them on Facebook. And it has instructions on there on how to get your free bowl. So you can check that out when you order from them. And then here we have the warranty. So this is the extended warranty, and also on the back it has like replacement information and all that good stuff. So these bowls are packed really nice. They are stuffed with styrofoam covering, so none of my bowls were broken. So here we have the smaller one, and I got 4. And then this is the next size. And I think this is like the medium one. And this is the one that I've been using a lot lately. And then we have this big one, which I actually stored my watermelon in. So these are the bowls. So good morning if you are new here to my channel. My name is Ivy. I am a wife and a mom of 4 older kids. On my channel you will see cooking, cleaning, decorating, hauls, miscellaneous things, a variety of things, because that's what I like to do on my channel. Right here I am just going to be fixing me my lunch for the day after my workout. I just got done working out, so I was like, might as well just film this video now. So I'm cleaning up the kitchen so that I can have a clean workspace to fix my food. So I'm just straightening up the kitchen a little bit. The kitchen is actually not that bad, but sometimes I clean it before I cook, and sometimes I just jump in and just, if I'm not recording, and just do whatever.
pass away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know.
So I've been doing a lot of plant-based type meals, and I'm just going to share one in this video. I'm just chopping up some yellow potatoes, and I'm going to make potatoes in my air fryer, and then I'm going to put them in a salad, and it's with taco seasoning. So this is like a taco bowl with chipotle ranch. So I'm just cutting up these potatoes and preparing my salad.
So scared that I would lose you, but you call me up right after I touch the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound, and you said, I know we're gonna stay the same. And now
so I just placed the potatoes in the bowl, and now we're going to season them with some taco seasoning. You can get this from the Dollar Tree, or you can use a taco packet, whatever you want to use. But I just season these up with the taco seasoning. And then I'm going to slice up a tomato.
change a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. I know where we belong. My own safeties haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. My own safety zone.
So now I'm just going to put a little bit of vegetable oil. I use a little bit of oil when I'm frying my potatoes. I know some people don't use oil in the air fryer, healthier and all that kind of stuff. But for me, I use just a tad bit of oil, and then I add my potatoes. And you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes and check it, shake it up. If it's not crispy enough for you, you can put it back on for like 10 minutes or something. You just want to watch them, make sure they don't burn. So I am just setting my air fryer, which I need a new one, and I just washed off my salad. So now I'm chopping it up so it won't be so big, you know, so I can't handle it on my fork and stuff. So I'm just putting my salad in here. This is beginning to be one of my favorite healthy meals. I don't always eat healthy, but I'm trying to do better, and I've been doing really good. I did really good before we went to Georgia. We went home, and then other people don't eat what I eat, so I had to kind of like fall off and eat what everybody else was eating. So this is just tomatoes, red onion, avocado, and the taco seasoned potatoes. You could do Greek yogurt, or you could do a little bit of sour cream if you want. What I like to do is use salsa on a lot of my potato meals, and also I wanted a little bit more spice kick to it. The chipotle ranch is enough spice, but I wanted a little more spice. So I added a couple of jalapenos and some salsa and the chipotle ranch. This is so good. If you've never tried this, give it a try. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to get healthy, all that good stuff, this is really good. And I'm thinking about doing a what I eat in a day healthy video. If you guys would be interested in that, I will do that video for you with a disclaimer that I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian, I'm not any of those. I'm just eating healthier, making healthier choices. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. And I'm losing my voice again. And this is what the salad looks like. Thanks for watching.